Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, how are you? I came back to you in a new lesson. This lesson is specialized for the first bilingual intermediate stage. It is about the chapter 4, the integers, الأعداد الصحيحة, and especially the powers. Now, how can I deal with this type of questions? What do I mean with powers? First, I will give you an example and I will explain for you everything, okay? Now, this example number 4, it says calculate. What does it say? It says calculate 3 to the power 4 to the power 3. 4 to the power 3. I will go in general. If I have a to the power n, this is the base. This is the base. And this is base. Okay? And this is exponent or power. A to the power n or a to exponent n. What is the exponent of a? It is n. That means a is multiplied by itself n times. That means that equals a times dot times continuity to the a. And times, I repeat, a to the power n. This is a is called the base and n is the exponent. بالعربي exponent or power, القوة. That means a is multiplied by itself and times. A multiplied by itself by times and times. An example. Take an example. A to the power n equals a times a, continue until n times. Let's solve these questions. Okay, students? Just focus with me. 4 to the power 3. That means the base is 4. The exponent or the power is 3. 4 is the base. 3 is the power. That means 4 times 4 times 4, honey students. Okay? That means A is multiplied by itself 3 times. 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4, 16 times 4 times 4, 64. Okay, honey students? Let's take an example of me. Take this example. If I have 6 to the power 2, that means 6 times 6 equals 36. If I have 2 to the power or 3 to the power 4, that equals 3 is multiplied by itself 4 times. 4 times 4 times 4. Sorry. I committed a mistake. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. Times 3, 81. And so on. I go to the base and multiply it with itself according to the power. Now, we have to note that 8 or any number to the power 1, it is the same number. Million to the power 1 equals million. 70 to the power 1 equals 70. And any number to the power 0 equals 1. Honey students, we have to keep this rightly and do not mix between them because they are very important in the next questions, inshallah ta'ala. Okay? When he says to calculate, I will go and use this step and this and this. I will multiply the number with itself. The number was with itself according to the power that exists in the exponent. Now let's take an example. Example number 6. Number 5. Write the numbers using powers. Conversely of this question. Now, students, let's go and how to find this, how to solve the example number 5. Write the numbers using powers. Write the numbers using powers. Number 1, 36. I go and check out 36. How can I write 36 in the form of a to the power n? I mean, there's a number. I will multiply it self many times to get 36. It is 6. 6 squared. Okay? Because 36 equals 6 times 6. 2 times. Okay? 6 times 6, 36. Thus, I will go and take 1 6 to the power, how many 6? 2. 6 is 6 squared. Number 2, 81. I will go. It is something big number. Thus, I will go and analyze 81. By 2 or by 3? By 3, because it is an odd number. By 3, 27. By 3, 9. By 3, 3. By 3, 1. Okay? Now, that equals 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81. Thus, I will go and write the number 81 in the form of 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. How many times? 4 times. That equals, I will take one of them to the power 4 times. Okay, students, go and analyze. You will get an obtained of multiplicating many times the number or by itself. Okay? 81, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Go and take one of them. How many 3s? 4 3 to the power 4. The same thing will with 1,000. Okay? 1,000. Look at this. 1,000. By what? By 10. 100 by 10. 10 by 10. 1. How many 1? How many 10? It is 10 times 10 times 10. That equals 10 to the power 3 times to the power 3. Okay, students? When he asks me to write any number with powers, I will go and analyze. Okay? Analyze by 2, by 3, by 5, by 10, as I want. But according to the question. And then I go to the result. How many number? 4 times 3. I will take 1 3 to the power 4. Here is by 10. 1,100 by 10. 10 by 10 1. How many 10? 3 tens. One of them the base and the number of them is the power. One of them is the base and the number of them is the power, and so on, honey students. Now I leave you hoping meeting you in a new lesson and new questions in the next time. Inshallah ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.